Let's all raise our glass. Glenna and Nathan.
Who cares now if it rains? All my love tonight. You got all my love tonight. Let's find that old wedding dress. We both know what happens next. All my love tonight. You got all my love tonight. Alright. If it's 2 a.m., honey, let's do it all over again. All my love tonight. You got all my love tonight. Let's climb the roof, stare at the stars, drink in the night, find who we are. All my love tonight. You got all my love tonight. Oh, sweet love, you got me rolling down the river. Oh, sweet love, you got me wrapped around your finger. Honey, I'll never be the same. It started with a bottle of pink champagne.
Gentle and loving God, might these two who have made this covenant with one another bless each other, and might they be comforted and led by you. We pray, God, that you would encourage them, that they would be able to trust one another, and that they would too trust life and not be afraid. We pray for them happiness. May they continue to love one another always. As we offer ourselves and as we offer this prayer to you. Amen.
You got me wrapped around your finger. Honey, I'll never be the same.